Hello everyone! This week I went on another solo trip to one of my favorite dispersed camping areas. My first solo trip went so well, I decided to go out on my own again, but this time I wanted to try something new. This area is located on the south entrance of Joshua Tree National Park, off the I-10. I got there a little late and didn't have time to look around and search for a spot. But the perk of going to a familiar spot is that I knew the area I wanted to be in. It got dark pretty fast after I got there, and I'm glad I didn't have any gear to set up, because I was able to get the fire started before it got absolutely dark out. After relaxing by the fire for a while, I called it a night and got ready for bed. I have been wanting to try car camping for a while now, but I wasn't sure how to go about the sleeping arrangement. But after some research and with my husband's help, I was able to try it out. I will probably be making some type of window covers for future trips. I'm not sure what I was expecting, but it was pretty comfortable, and not having to set up a tent was definitely a perk. My husband built the platform for the backseat of the truck, I ordered a memory foam mattress, and my truck camping system was ready. Continuing with the easygoing, no assembling required trip, I didn't pack any kitchen gear. So breakfast didn't involve any cooking, and it's one of my favorite go-to meals on the go. After enjoying my breakfast and relaxing a while, I started exploring the area. I walked around and checked out a couple of the sites that were nearby. I had pretty good service out there with AT&T. I'm not sure if it's car camping or technically truck camping, but it's something I plan on doing again. Although I did miss waking up and taking off the rainfly and enjoying the view from the tent. Overall, I really enjoyed my first solo car camping experience. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Thanks so much for watching.